Hi guys! So I just finished snorkeling because the weather turned not so great, and then I find this little bugger. Look at him! Can you see him? He's right there. Check it out. You can't see it? Look! Oh, there you are. A baby water dragon. So tiny. Hello. You're very cute. We're waiting for an ant to come your... Oh, there is an ant coming. Come on, get it. Yeah, you got it. Bon appetit. Good job. It's so cute. Oh, and fast. And tiny. Very cute. Okay. Bye, little one. It's a baby water dragon. Bye. Have a good day.